everyone. For a function f of x, we have f of x plus 3 equals f of x for any real number x. And our x has to be in between negative 3 halves is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3 halves. Our f of x is 3 minus absolute value of x. And we're going to find the value of f of 11. So basically, this is the goal. This problem's a little confusing when you read it. But basically, our goal is to get some x that's in between negative 3 halves and 3 halves. So in between negative 1.5 and 1 and 1/2. All right, so basically, we have f of 11. So we know that f of x plus 3 equals f of x. All right, so that means we could say f of 11. So 11 would be 8 plus 3, right? That gives you f of 11. Okay, that's going to be f of 8, right? So we have f of 11 equals f of 8. The problem is my 8 is not in between negative 1/2 and 1/2. So basically we're going to keep going until we get that. So let's look at f of 8. So f of 8 is going to be 5 plus 3. So this is your x, right? So that's going to equal f of 5. Or we can say f of 8 equals f of 5. But again, our 5 is not in our domain. So let's keep going. We have f of, let's see, we need f of 5. So f of 5 is going to be equal to 2 plus 3. Right? So that's going to give you f of 2. There we go, 2. 2 is not in between here. So let's try one more time. So we're going to do f of 2, and 2 is going to equal, let's see, 2 would be plus 3. And so if I'm going to get the 2 here, this would be 1. Negative 1, right? So that's going to equal f of negative 1. Had a senior moment there. All right, so this is negative 1. This negative 1 is in between what we're looking for. So basically all we're going to do is look at this for f of negative 1 equals 3 minus absolute value of negative 1. This is going to give you 3 minus 1 equals 2. Therefore, f of 11 equals 2. And so do all of these. All of these equal 2. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.